Hi everyone. Markup and margin are a couple of columns on the estimate. I'm going to scroll over under the profit markups section. Of course, you can have multiple markups if you'd like. I can see the markups at the project level by clicking on the markups button on the top right. And from here, I can make changes to the whole project. And you're also able to come in and adjust the markups at individual lines as well. In addition to the individual lines and changing the percentages, you can come in and change the dollar amount on the builder profit side, and Ressio will automatically calculate what that markup percentage will be. Just like other columns in the estimate, you can choose whether or not you'd like to include these columns in your view on the Ressio estimate. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.